Maximum flavour sometimes means extra cooking time, but not with this recipe. Today I'll be showing you Mum's lemongrass chili tofu, a dish that guarantees flavour for very little effort.
Mama ye食飯，媽咪爹哋食飯，ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Wok and Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe is one that you can whip up in just 15 minutes from beginning to end. To start, cut up 600 grams of fried tofu into smaller chunks. You can use any shape or size that you like, so long as it's firm and fried. Then marinate the tofu with 4 stalks of finely chopped lemongrass and 2 chilies, along with 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of honey. To save time, we buy frozen and finely chopped lemongrass at Asian supermarkets. Alternatively, you can use fresh ones and make your own. A full list of these ingredients can be found at wokandkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Now, mix the aromatics and seasoning through. Then pour 6 tablespoons of oil in a pan on medium heat. When hot, sear the tofu for 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Pour the remaining lemongrass onto the frying tofu. There aren't many dishes that blow me away at the first bite, but this is definitely one of them. For maximum flavour, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1. Marinate for longer. This will help the taste absorb into the tofu. Number 2. Sear until golden brown. You'll also develop a crispy crust on the outside. Number 3. Opt for the triangular fried tofu. They're a great size to fry as is, so the outer layer will get a nice double fry. I didn't know that Mum's lemongrass chili tofu was going to be this tasty, but once I bit into it, it was all the convincing I needed. Now it's a weeknight emergency recipe that I love. You can make it yours too. To find more simple home recipes, like and subscribe to our channel. If cooking delicious food is what you enjoy, check out our family recipe that YouTube recommends for you. See you in the next video.